It is a beautiful day here in the mountains of North Carolina. Everyone, my name is Luke. This is the Outdoor Gear Review. Thank you very much for tuning in for this episode. It is time for some viewer mail. Oh yeah! I have 3 packages and 1 letter to open up. And let's start with the letter first. This is from Adam. Adam, thank you so very much, buddy. My guess is a Christmas card. It's a little bit late, sorry. Wishing you and yours a Merry Christmas. Thank you for taking the time to always talk to me. My friend, I appreciate you so much. I mean, it really is my pleasure. Thank you for being my buddy. Thanks for watching these videos that I make here in the mountains of North Carolina. I really do appreciate every single one of you. I say that all the time, but I'm not sure if it really sinks in, if you understand just how much you all mean to me, because you guys make my life so special. You really do. Moving on here, we have a package from Chris. Thank you so much, buddy. Chris from South Australia. Buddy, I hope you're doing well out there. Yes, sir. Let's see. Hi, Luke and Susie. I've enjoyed watching the videos over a year now, and I've seen that you keep your knife in your pocket. Yes, I do. I keep mine on my belt and thought that you would like to do the same, so I've sent you a leather belt sheath. What? I hope that it's big enough for your knife, and I hope that you like it. Wow. And also, he's sent some Australian coffee. They don't have Tasters Nasty there. You're lucky, man. So Harris Coffee. Wow, buddy, thank you so much. I cannot wait to crack into this. And here we go for the knife. Ooh, that is really nice. Let's see. And unfortunately, it doesn't fit. I mean, I could cram it in there, but I definitely don't want to tear this up and stretch it out. I have a knife that will work with this, and I'll switch over to it. Again, Chris, thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. Moving on, we have this here, and this comes from Thomas. Thomas, thank you very much for your service to our country, buddy. Now, I opened this already. I couldn't wait because it just felt so weird that I needed to open it up. I couldn't really stop myself. Tommy says here, Luke, this is a fur ruff attachment that should make a nice addition to your Gore-Tex parka. So basically it attaches to the jacket and goes like this to keep you nice and warm. Something like that. Huh. Yeah, I have never actually seen one of these. When I get home, I will have to attach this to the jacket. He says he really enjoys the adventures and the reviews. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. The last package is up, and this is from Lisa. Hey, Lisa. You have done a fantastic job at taping this shut. So to start off here, we have a Christmas card. As I mentioned, I am a little bit late to this. Sorry, everybody. Let's see, a snowflake here, a snowflake there. Christmas magic everywhere. Dear Luke, Susan, Madison, and Lucas, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Super late Christmas and New Year's to you as well. And also to your family. This is a pretty personal message here, so I'm not going to read this out loud. Okay, so she sent some coffee here. Whoa! River's Edge, medium dark roast. Oh man. But yeah, this looks really, really nice. I cannot thank you enough for the nice letter and the coffee. I really do appreciate it. I'm glad that the channel has helped you out so much. That's what it's all about. I want to say a big thank you to everyone for just being so kind to myself, to Susie. For this episode of Viewer Mail, that's it. Everyone take care, strength and honor. I will see you all around real soon. Be well, be strong, be kind. See ya.